In this video, I will show you how to create a modern and premium looking WooCommerce product grid using Elementor and a free add-on step by step. This method is perfect if you want to make your online store look more professional without using Elementor Pro. Make sure you are till the end because I will show you how to import and use a free grid layout correctly and avoid common mistakes. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a beautiful WooCommerce product grid ready for your e-commerce website. Alright, let's begin. This is my e-commerce website where I want to add product grid layout and I will do it with Elementor free add-on. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, then click over here add plugin. Alright, from the right side top, as you can see search plugins, you have to search the plugin name here that you want to use. I want to use Shop Elementor, so type here Shop Elementor. That's great. This is the Shop Elementor free add-on which I am going to use in this tutorial. So click over here, install now, activate. Alright, after install and activated the Shop Elementor add-on, you will be redirected to this area, and this is the setup widget. You have to complete this setup step, and very fast. As you can see, welcome to Shop Elementor, then Elementor, Gutenberg and both. If you want to use Elementor and Gutenberg, then you have to click and select this box. If you want to use only Gutenberg, then click and select this box. I want to use only Elementor, so click here and select this box, then proceed to next. Click over here. Alright, then the basic I want to keep it as default, and again proceed to next. Alright, and I don't want to use this module, so keep it as default and proceed to next. Then you have to give your email address, proceed to next. Alright, and I don't want to use this feature, so click here continue, then finish setup. That's great. As you can see, great, you are all set. Your store has been configured successfully. Click over here, go to dashboard. Alright, this is the Shop Elementor settings panel. As you can see, it has lots of settings tab. Just you have to navigate to the Elementor widgets tab. Click over here. Then you will get all available widgets here. Most of them are pro and some of them are free. In this tutorial, we are using only free version and we want to use product grid layout, and this is the widget category general, and you can see product grid modern, then the luxury, editorial and magazine. I want to use this layout product grid luxury, so click this toggle button and enable it. If you want, then you can check the other layout as well. Okay, then scroll down, then the save settings. Alright, then from the left side, as you can see Shop Elementor settings, template builder and template library. I want to import this layout and want to use it, so click over here template library. Alright, all pre-built templates are available here. You can check it from here. In this tutorial, we are going to use only free version. So from the left side top, as you can see categories, then the all builders, click this down arrow and select Elementor. That's why we are going to use only Elementor. Then the all free, you have to navigate to this tab free, then you will get all free pre-made template here, and we want to use product grid layout, so you have to navigate to the others tab. Click here others. Alright, then you can see this is the grid layout. Before importing the any layout, you can check the preview. Click here live demo or click here quick view. This is the preview. I want to use this layout like luxury. This is the luxury, so click over here live demo or click here quick view. Okay, I want to use it. Click here and close it, then click import. Alright, template builder, as you can see, if you select this option, this template will save here template builder, or if you click and select it Elementor library and import this template, then it will be saved here Elementor, then the editor and templates. I want to select it, so Elementor library and click over here import template. Alright, as you can see template imported successfully. Now you can edit from here. Click here edit template. Alright, this is the Elementor editor and you can edit this layout from here. I don't want to edit anything. I want to keep it as default. So again, go to the website and I want to use this product grid layout in home page. So edit this page with Elementor. Alright, and this is the home page element editor. So click this plus sign, then click here this folder icon, then navigate to the blocks page and templates, click here. Alright, as you can see, a few moments ago I have imported this layout. So click here, insert. That's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now you can change the text from here, publish from the right side top. Go to the website, refresh this home page and check it. Scroll down. That's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. So in this way you can import and use this layout. If you want, then you can use it directly. So again, go to the Elementor editor and click this plus sign. Okay, just search from the left side top, then search here luxury product or luxury. Alright, you can see product grid luxury. Just drag and drop here. Alright, and you can use it in this way. Okay, I want to close it, then publish it again, go to the website, refresh it and check it. And that's it. In this way you can import and use product luxury layout in your e-commerce website. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.